Okay guys, so awesome. Now that you have your ClickFunnels set up and you got your Aweber set up, what we're gonna do, and a good funnel is made of different pieces. And what we gotta do, we just gotta make sure we connect those pieces together, just like a puzzles, for us to see the global picture. And for you at the end actually making money, you wanna make sure that all your connections between your softwares are actually done correctly. So what we're going to do today, we're going to connect between your Aweber and your capture page. So now what you see on the screen, you see that's your capture page. Just use the first capture page. Your visitor is going to arrive on that, is going to put in the information. Now we got to make sure that your visitor actually right away is get redirected to a thank you page. Now, why this thank you page? I've tested out and I've noticed that just putting that little line of information was sent via email is actually going to create more open rate for your first email that you're sending to your leads. So that's very important. That's the reason number one. And number two, if you're working with a pixel, for example, you're gonna have to work with a pixel, because when you buy traffic, the traffic agency will give you a pixel to put on your thank you page, so they will be able to measure the conversions on their end. For example, if you have Facebook pixel, that's the page that you put your pixel on. Now, the next thing you got to make sure that you do is you connect your Aweber. Okay, so after they put in the information, they go to the next page. Okay, and you got to make sure that the information actually goes to Aweber. Okay, all this has to be done before sending one click to your capture page. So that's very important. Now, Aweber is going to do something very simple. When you send that information, Aweber is going to start the 14-day email sequence that you've downloaded before. Now, another thing, normally you would not have to connect your thank you page to your capture page. The reason is when you're actually building a funnel, you're putting one capture page and the next page is your thank you page. That's how you actually build the funnel. That's ClickFunnels is going to show you exactly. But since I wanted to give you different types of capture pages, I just had to put them in one funnel, and they all, well, if you won't do this step, they'll probably end up going one to each other. So I'm going to show you exactly how you redirect to the next page and you send the information to Aweber. So how to do that, let's hop into ClickFunnels menu. You guys can see my capture pages here. The first thing you're going to do is in your ClickFunnels, you're going to go to accounts, and in accounts, you're going to go to integrations. Okay, this is pretty much where you connect everything to ClickFunnels. Okay, so very simple. I already have my Aweber integrated in ClickFunnels, but I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. There's different, you can choose the integration here. The easiest ways to do is add new integration. Select it from here. Aweber is going to be at the top. And then there's going to be a connect button. You're going to click this connect button. It's going to take you to a window that is going to connect to you. And you guys can see it's connecting my ClickFunnels with my Aweber. Okay, you're going to do allow access. You're going to confirm everything, and it's automatically going to connect you to ClickFunnels. So every person that signs up is going to go to Aweber. This is step one. There's another thing you got to do. Okay, so after you do this and you confirm, your integration will show up here. By the way, if you are having some tech issues and you can't resolve this and it's not connecting or whatever, you always have this little chat box. Click on it, send them a message. They're going to resolve your issue right away. They're actually going to let you know if it's on their end or maybe it's on Aweber, and then you got to call Aweber. Okay. Normally, there's no issues with ClickFunnels when you're connecting any one of the integration. So now let's go back to our funnels. Okay, let's go back to our funnels, and I'm going to show you how to connect your capture page to actually make sure it goes there. So we're gonna get into the page. You're gonna go to your capture page. You're gonna pop it up, and you're going to see this button up here. It's called settings. So you're going to click settings, and the first one is going to be integrations. Okay. On your beginning, you're probably going to have this not connected. So what you're going to do, you're going to select the integration. Okay. It's right here. Okay. And then action. Okay. And then action, integrate to existing form. Okay. List to add. I choose the list. Let's say simple affiliate profits. Everyone who's going to get in and send the information right into this. Now, if you create a new list and you can't see it, hit the refresh list from API. Okay, it's always going to refresh all the lists that you have. And that's how simple it is this is all done and all connected. Now remember, this is why in the previous video you had to create a form for Aweber. Okay, make sure that if it's not connecting, that means the form is not existing there. Okay, so go and just get back to your Aweber and connect your form right away. Okay, so this is the first thing. The second thing is, after you integrated that, this is a very important menu. Okay, so for example, I'm just gonna give you a quick FYI. If you're gonna want to put any type of pixel trackings, it's gonna be right here as well, but we're gonna go into general. Okay, and right at the top here it says on submit go to. Okay, normally it will automatically redirect in the next step of the funnel. Okay, that's how ClickFunnels work. When you actually build the funnel, it saves all that connection, but you got to go to the thank you page. Okay, you got to go to find your thank you page. Okay, and this is a two-step simple system. Okay, click, copy, go into here and put the link on submit, go to my thank you page. Okay, affiliate badge, you're probably going to be on show. You can put it on hide, it's up to you. Search engines, this is the type of page that you want to make sure that it shows on search engines, and this is right now is going to be connected, right? Absolutely. Now what's going to happen as soon as I'm gonna, and by the way, you click save right away. That's very, very important. If you won't save, it won't populate, it won't do it. Okay, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to hop into here and we're going to make sure that we opt in. Okay, make sure every time you opt in, make sure you check and you test. Okay, every time you connect something, make sure you check and you test. And we're going to opt in. We're going to see how this is going to work. Boom. That means this part works. So the redirecting to the next page actually works. The next thing is actually check your phone. By the way, I didn't mention Aweber has an app. Okay, you can download their app, so you'll be able to track everything off your phone, so you don't have to have all these websites open. You'll be able to constantly see that you have your subscribers coming in and everything is all good. Okay, so check your Aweber, see that it actually connected. If it actually connected, it's all good. If you're struggling or you're having any issues, again, ClickFunnels has a very simple chat that you can always go and ask them a question, and right away they're going to answer all your questions. So another thing, I want just to give you a quick shout here. Below this video, there's going to be a button to get your ClickFunnels and a button to get your Aweber. So if you've been procrastinating and you haven't gotten those two, make sure you get them right now, because going forward with this, if you haven't set up your fan page, if you haven't set up your capture page or your Aweber, there's literally no point. If you don't have the pages and you don't have a good autoresponder, don't even worry about keep on going in this training, because you don't need the rest. You just need to start where to send your customers, capture their information and put that information into a list and start that first process, and that first process is number one. So thanks a lot for watching. Make sure you get this little integration done and your first part is ready to go, and I'll see you all in the next video.